This project presented by Muhammad Adam Haykal and Muhammad Faiz Ikhmal.
Yes, holiday! Woo! But before the departure, I have to measure my luggage weight first. But I don't have the scale, so how to do it?
Imagine you are at the airport ready to check in for your flight. You place your luggage on the counter and suddenly the screen shows of weight baggage. Now you have to open your luggage, remove items or pay extra fees, all while people are waiting behind you. This common problem happens because many travelers do not know their weight of the luggage before arriving at the airport. To solve this issue, we developed a smart luggage weight measurement system. Okay, so before we explain further about our system, which is smart weight luggage measurement system, we will explain to all of you about the electrical components, the mechanical components, the design of our housing, and also the how can we use this system to simplify all of your problems in the airport. With me, my group mates Faiz Ikhmal, we will show you guys about all of the components that we use and how can we use this in this airport to simplify all of the problem to you guys.
So this is the electrical component for our system. So the first is 20 kg load cell as a sensor. So when we pull the load cell, and you will see the weight at the LCD. So the second is I2C LCD. The function is to display the measured value. So after that is breadboard and wires. The function is to connect all components together. So we also use Arduino Uno to read the amplified signal and process it. And then we use the resistor around 220k ohm and 1k ohm as our resistor. Okay, after that we use the power supply, which is 5 volt. And then for the amplifier we use SEMM3242. So the first is OP-MP act as a voltage follower, buffering the load cell signal and preventing signal loss. And the second OP-MP acts as an inverting amplifier, which is to increasing the signal to a level readable by the Arduino. So these two-stage setup improve signal stability and allows accurate weight measurement. So that's it.
So for the casing, we are choosing plastic as our material because plastic can withstand high weight and cannot bend easily when the load applied on the load cell. There were 3 holes, which is one for the LCD, one for the hook, and one for the USB port for Arduino. And on top of it, we have a grip to hold the system.
How to measure my luggage weight?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Let me help you on how can you measure your luggage weight.
Okay.
So this is our system,
Okay.
which is a smart weight luggage measurement system. Let me show to you guys on how this thing works. So let us show to you guys on how this thing works in the real life application. Okay. So the grip on top of the case, you guys need to hold it, and then the hook on the bottom of the case will be hook the luggage that we want to measure, which is the luggage. Okay. This you will measure the luggage. Okay. Okay. How much was the weight of this luggage? Let us see. Okay, so the display of the LCD shows the weight of this luggage, which is around 2 kilograms. Okay, which we already solved the problems that you guys need in the commonly. Okay, that's all for our presentation about our smart weight luggage measurement system, and thank you from Muhammad Adam Haykal and Faiz Ikhmal.